In yesterday's video, I showed you how you could start a YouTube automation or YouTube cash cow business for about $800 per month. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how you could start a similar business for significantly less. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how you can get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money step by step. Hello, my name's Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned yesterday, if you take a look at my screen, this chicken scratch here is a step-by-step guide on how you could start YouTube automation for about $800 per month. I gave you some prices for a scriptwriter, voice artist, video editor, thumbnail creator, and then if you wanted to add a VA, that would be a little bit extra. But what if you didn't have $800 a month to invest into your business? There are some alternatives, but you're probably going to spend about $400 per month. What you're going to need to do is figure out what's most important to you and what's the easiest to accomplish and the least expensive to accomplish, and that's what you're really going to focus on. And so let's go ahead and talk about this. What we're going to do is, once again, we're probably going to spend some money with a script writer. You could also save money by writing the scripts yourself. You could use something like Jarvis to help you write the scripts. I talked about Jarvis last week. If I bring this up, I think it's something else now. I'll just say Jarvis.ai. I think the name has changed to Jasper.ai. So you could use this software to help you write scripts. So that would actually save you some money. Or what you could do is you could hire someone very inexpensively and have them write scripts using Jarvis or Jasper. So that's one alternative. And last week we talked about, or yesterday we talked about, using a website called onlinejobs.ph, and we're going to use that same site. So what you could do is you could say, hey, look, I'm looking for a scriptwriter that's going to write scripts if you don't want to do it yourself, and say, hey, look, I'm willing to pay you maybe $5 per script, but I'm going to let you have access to this service where they will actually assist you in writing the script. So you could use this to actually help you save some money. And if we look here, instead of paying $9 to $15 for a scriptwriter, we could pay as little as maybe $5 per script, or you could do it yourself. So that's one option. Another thing, the next thing that we need is a voice artist. So what I would do is I would actually keep this voice artist at $10. I think voice artist or a voice actor, actress is probably one of the most difficult parts, and it's the most time consuming with regard to reading the script, because you have to read it correctly, and it's very easy to mess up. So you can come back over to onlinejobs.ph and find someone to do a voiceover or voice acting for you. This is going to be about $10. Now, I showed you yesterday that you could use Fiverr. Fiverr is much more expensive. It is absolutely 100% not worth it to use Fiverr for this type of service. If we do Fiverr, let's do voice actor like this, or voice artist, voiceover artist, and you're going to see the prices get really expensive for someone to do 500 words or 1,000 words. So if we just change the budget to $5 or less like this, hit apply, and then we're going to change the seller to someone that's brand new. As I went over yesterday, you can actually put in special requests, and when you do special buyer requests, you can usually find somebody that is willing to meet your needs, but they usually don't hang around for a long time. So if we look at this, these people are willing to get started for $5. If we click on, let's find one that doesn't have a ton of reviews. The other problem with this is you're taking a gamble and you're betting on someone that hasn't been around a long time, and you might get junk. So let's click on this one. Only 53 reviews here. There's 2 orders in queue. It's $5 for 150. We're looking for someone that's going to do at least 1,000. Now, 1,000 words is probably about 5 minutes. In reality, you want someone that's going to do closer to 2,000 words, and that's $70. So $70 on Fiverr, or you can pay someone $10 on onlinejobs.ph. This is what I use for multiple channels. I think I have 3 channels now where I have voice actresses and actors that are doing voiceovers for $10 for up to 2,000 words. So I know for a fact that this will work for you. So if we go back over here, voice artist is $10 still. And then the most expensive part and probably the most difficult part is the video editor. Video editing takes a lot of time because you've got to come up with motion graphics. You've got to find different slides that work together that actually make sense with the content that the voice artist is talking about. And so this can take the most amount of time and can be the most expensive. Now, what I recommend that you do, and I don't see a lot of people talking about this, is you could use a website like Pictory.ai. And Pictory.ai is really good because it'll actually let you come up with different videos in probably about 45 minutes to an hour. Now, what I would do, a bonus tip here, is I would actually hire a voice. I would actually hire either a VA or I would teach my scriptwriter how to do this. I would purchase. I'd purchase Pictory AI. It's a one-time charge. I think you can get it on AppSumo. I'm not an affiliate, but you can. I'm just going to log in here. You can hire a VA or even your scriptwriter to, once they get done with the script, just to click on script to video, and you could create a video showing them how to do this. Click script to video and then give the video the title. So if we were creating content on like how to start a quail farming business, and then you're simply going to copy the script and paste it right in here. And I spelled quail wrong, but that's okay. And I'm sure you're wondering, can you monetize these types of videos? And the answer is yes, as long as the content's original and unique. Oftentimes people get into trouble when they try and monetize this type of content because it's not original and it's not unique. They'll go grab either someone else's video or they'll go grab just an article off of ezine.com, emagazine.com, whatever that website is, but they'll paste it right here. And to show you that you can actually do this and get monetized, if you take a look at this channel here, how to start a quail farm business. This guy from BizMove, he has 135,000 subscribers. I'm just going to mute this, but there should be an ad that pops up in the beginning of this video. As you can see, I actually ran through this. And the interesting thing is, you can see there's going to be an ad here. This is using Vidnami or a Vidnami alternative, as you can see. And if I play this after the ad, you'll see that it's actually an automated voice. Now, I recommend to increase your chances of being monetized is to use, let's see if we just, I'm just going to unmute this. Increase your chances of being monetized, use an original voice. The different voice inflections, Google AI can determine if you're using AI, which is a bit ironic. But in order to increase your chances of being monetized, you want to do this. But if we hit play here.
To do this. After startup.
As you can hear, that is quite obviously a automated robot voice. This video has 23,000 views from February 2020. So you can do this too. But what I recommend is that you use a combination of Pictory AI and hiring a voice actor. So what you would do is you would, once you purchase your copy of Pictory, paste this in just like this, and click on proceed. We're going to make sure that we have the right dimensions. It's going to come up with some different slides based on your script. And what you'd want to do is just go through and click on audio here. You want to turn off the music. And then you want to make sure the format is 1080p. Once you have that, you are going to click generate. And then the final step that you need to do, and again, you could hire a VA to do this, is to merge the voice actress audio, which would probably be an MP3 or a WAV format, with this actual video. And the way that I would do it, the way that I've done it, is I use a software called ScreenFlow. Now, ScreenFlow is my video editing software. You could use free options. You can use a ton of them out there. At the level of Pictory that I have, you can't add external audio. You can either use robotic audio or you can just download a muted video. And so what you're going to do is you're simply just going to layer them two together using free software or paid software. You can use Apple Movie, you could use QuickTime, you can use really anything to merge them together. And then you have videos, and this is going to save you a significant amount of money. So if we did the math here, we would have to pay, let's see if we can get back in here. We did the math. We can either do the script ourselves, or we can pay maybe $5 per video for the scriptwriter because they could be using Java. So we're going to leave that at $5. Video editor we get rid of completely, which is going to save us a bunch of money. And then we can either do we can either hire a thumbnail creator over on Fiverr, or we can do it ourselves, or even ask our VA to do it. And let's say we decide to pay our VA. Let's say we pay our VA $10 per video, just like that, 10 per video. And if we did the math, that's 10, 15, 10, 20, you're looking at about $27. You could probably get away with paying your video editor a little bit less, or you could pay this person a little bit less, but you have the use of Pictory.ai here, and then you can also use, I think that's spelled correctly, you can also use, I think it's Jasper, Jasper.ai, to do the writing for you, and that would save you some money. So once again, you are going to either hire someone on onlinejobs.ph to write the scripts for you. You could write them yourself using Jasper, or you can hire someone to do it. If you use Jasper I think is like $110 per month. If you do boss mode, let's see, boss mode's $99 per month estimated. Or you can try and use something like the starter, but I'd recommend that you go with the boss mode for $99 per month. If you, let's go back over here, voice actor, actress, $10. Video editor, you're just going to plug this right into Pictory.ai. You can buy Pictory.ai for a one-time charge, and then you can either hire someone to do the thumbnails, or you can do them yourself. And then once again, the last option is to hire a VA to take care of the Pictory.ai and putting the audio and video together. And just like that, you can save yourself a bunch of money. This will allow you to break even faster. Now, if you're monetizing with affiliate marketing or YouTube partner program, digital products, merch, sponsorships, brand deals, and shoutouts, this will allow you to monetize faster. And then you can actually, if you wanted to, you could actually go back and hire an actual script writer and hire an actual video editor. That's obviously going to eat into your profits, but this could be a great way to get started if you don't have $800 per month to invest, or $1,100 a month to invest with a virtual assistant. And now that you know how to start your YouTube automation on the cheap, click the first link in the description, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.